there's a considerable growth anticipated and going on as we speak across this country and across the world to facilitate newer devices.
The field is advancing every day to a different direction, using different materials, using different designs and manufacturing facilities.
There are many people who already work to some extent in the semiconductor industry, but they have kind of a glass ceiling, as we usually call these things, on how far they can advance because they don't have the kind of skills and knowledge that they will gain from doing this certificate. It goes all the way from the fundamental theory up through real practical applications.
This certificate program is already trying to cover what the need is today for the technology and manufacturing, and also what might be needed in the future of the electronics.
Because there's always something new challenged, something that has to be solved, and it really pushes their creativity to limits they didn't know they were able to pursue.